interactive meetings. And mind you, in this process, we made sure that it wasn't just the lawyers, it was not just the Supreme Court establishment or the Office of the Supreme Court which was involved. At each and every step, mind you, there are two groups in the lawyers community. So I was lucky to have President Saab from one group and the Secretary Saab from the other group. And I made sure that both of them are present when we discuss the reforms. And mashallah, I have yet to see the enthusiasm with which they participated in these reforms and their guidance on each and every step. And at this stage, it will be unfair on my part not to mention Mr. Aurangzeb, that whenever they were busy, he would come as a proxy representing both the groups. So mashallah, and I hope this tradition carries on. Now, improving service delivery through technology. This is the first pillar. To improve service delivery through technology, we have launched a series of initiatives that are already transforming the way this court functions. Digital case filing has been introduced. Files can now be transferred electronically and cases fully trackable online. E-services such as e-copies, e-affidavits, e-delivery, and the list goes on. I'll give you a thing. We've done a lot. The most important aspect of this is the digitization of case files is underway and expected to be completed within 6 months. We all talk about technology. We all talk about AI to be utilized for enhancing the efficiency of the justice delivery system. Fine. But look at the state where we are right now. Your record was not even scanned. And it does not require just the scanning of it. You have to digitally scan it. And let me announce that we have commenced with this task. 61,000 files are to be digitally scanned, and the project, they have assured me that it will be complete in 6 months. Now, we move on to the next point. It is only when you have them digitally scanned that you can utilize the tools of AI for categorization. It will be easy to categorize cases and to fix it before one bench, one issue, and in one hearing you can be able to decide all the cases that are pending. Yes, technology is necessary. Yes, AI has to be utilized, but no, not now. We are not ready for it. We have to prepare ourselves for that. Be patient. Ladies and gentlemen, be patient. We are at it, inshallah ta'ala. After 6 months, they will give us the digitized scan, and then the process will commence. We have started, small steps have already been taken, but no. I'll be very frank with you. The most effective tool for using AI will be complete once we have the digitized scanned copies. Now we go on to improving access and transparency. This is the second pillar. The values of transparency, accountability, a corruption-free environment is but essential and foundational in any healthy judicial delivery system. Access is central to achieving transparency, and to that end, a dedicated anti-corruption hotline has been established, providing a secure and confidential platform for citizens to report incidents of graft. This is ready day and night. Whenever the complaints come in, within 30 to 60 days, keeping in the nature of the complaint, the complaints are processed and the complainant is informed about the outcome of the complaint. Along with this is the public feedback portal has also been deployed to gather any analysis feedback in the structural manner, while public facilitation centers have been set up at the principal and registries. You see, I'm with you. You should have access to the Supreme Court. It is your Supreme Court. It is nobody's Supreme Court. But the question is, if I can provide you with whatever you require at the facilitation center without disturbing the office, I think that will cater to whatever your needs are. whatever information you require, whatever record you require, we will provide you with everything at the facilitation center. That is why we have the facilitation center, and we're going to have an opening, a soft opening today. And inshallah, it will be functional. They claim by the 1st of October, hopefully by 1st of October, it will be completely functional. Now, acknowledging the financial accountability is equally important. Let me announce that Supreme Court has undergone an external audit. And by the grace of God, the audit is complete. The issues highlighted are now being addressed. Additionally, in addition to the audit, let me also inform you one very important step which we have taken. We have initiated this process of standardization of processes and quality assurance. This process, ladies and gentlemen, is underway. And I've been told that in 9 months, we'll be able to complete this. And what will this achieve? You will be short of international certification. All the processes of the Office of the Supreme Court will be standardized. And there will be no issue of any discretion left with the office. There'll be a system, how you come in, how you go out, how the applications are made, everything. And it will be done by experts who will come and do it for us. Okay. We move on. To support this, we have established an Overseas Litigation Facilitation Center. Mr. President, has been established. For the media, establishment of dedicated platform has been completed, visitor centers, and so on. We move on to the third one, strengthening legal and regulatory framework. A rapid advancement of technology, particularly in the age of artificial intelligence, required the courts to move from conventional to digital process. While interim measures have been adopted, like I said, we did small steps, but there was no backing of law. We said, fine, don't give us 7 copies, give us 4 copies, 1 soft copy. We said it, no rules to back it. The processes entailed 20 steps according to the 1980 rules. We brought it down to 3 because the section heads told us that please, if you change the rules, this will become more efficient. Our section will become more efficient. We did it, fine. How did we achieve this? To address this on 30th October 2024, that is only 4 days after my assuming this office, a high-powered committee headed by Mr. Justice Shahid Waheed, with Justice Irfan Saadat Khan and Justice Naeem Aghwan and Justice Akil Ahmed Abbasi as members was constituted. And my God, I tell you, I salute them for their efforts because it was open. The Supreme Court Bar Association sent in their recommendations. The Bar Council sent them their recommendation. Lawyers sent in their recommendation. Even judges sent in their recommendation. Munib Saab sent it. Justice Aisha sent it. Sardar Malik Shahzad Saab, thank you. Malik Shahzad Saab sent it. And Aminuddin Saab sent it. And myself. You see, they had to look at the recommendations given by the sections, the judges, the lawyers community, and the lawyers and public. It was open. Now, their first input came in, and it was placed before the full court. Let me tell you, it was ready by 19th of March 2025, and it was placed before the full court on 17th April 2005. And after discussion, they said, no, it requires more deliberation. Fine, more deliberations went through.